Hi guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a dual button like this in your WordPress blog using Divi Builder. I have added this button using Divi add-on plugin. For this, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now, once you successfully logged into your site, go to Plugins and click on Add New. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on Install now. Once the plugin installed, click on Activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings. Just click on Dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to Post and click on Add New. Add post title. I will add dual button and then click on Use Divi Builder button. Now you have to select a layout. I will select Build from Scratch. Now add a single row and scroll down. Here you can see the modules with the name of Dark. These modules come with the plugin that we have added now, Divi Dark. Here you can see Dark dual button. Select this one. Now here you can see you have two different buttons. You can add link here, and here is the button content. You can make it button 1, and here the secondary button. I will change its name to button 2. Now you can add connector between them like text or icon. I will add an icon, this icon, and now go to design. From general you can change its alignment. I will made it in center. From primary button setting, open style settings, change its color to black and background color to red or yellow. Change text color to white or black is perfect. Now go to secondary button, make its setting similar. Now collapse this section and go to connector. Now change connector size. I will make it 16 or 18 and its color to red or black. You can add background color in it like this, but I will not add any background color. Just click on this tick button, click on these 3 dots and publish the post. Now you have successfully published the post. Just take a live preview. Click on this exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have successfully added the dual button using Divi add-on plugin for Divi Builder. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.